How to change eye color in Picsart. Want to try out a different eye color? Here's how to edit in Picsart. First, open your portrait photo and zoom in on the eyes for better precision. Then use the brush tool or draw feature and pick the color you want. Paint over the iris carefully, keeping the pupils untouched. Adjust the opacity and blending mode to make it look natural. Once you're happy with your new eye color, hit apply and save it. Have you ever tried bright blue or green eyes? Share it in the comments below. Adding a slight shadow or highlight to the iris helps it look more realistic. And that's how you can change eye color in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.